birds.
I like birds.
What are you guys doing?
Watching the birds.
Watching birds.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You see any?
No. I'm looking for them,
Yeah.
but I hear them.
I see this bird.
You see some birds?
Huh?
Where do you see a bird?
Right there.
I see a bird.
Where?
Right over here.
Hey, I'm not a bird. You see it?
Uh-huh.
I see.
I want to see it.
You...
I think.
Yeah, and I see me.
Yeah, I see me.
Okay.
I'm over here.
Okay, boys, sit down. Sit,
see
Dane,
you.
sit down. Sit down.
You looked a little big.
Big.
All right, I have the viewfinder turned around so they can see themselves while I record them.
Yeah.
Do you guys like seeing your feet in the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys are crazy.
That's me. That's me.
Yeah. Okay. What do you guys want to do other than just raise your feet?
Raise our hand.
No, like what do you like something special for the camera, like sing a song or do a dance, or what do you want to do?
I want to raise our hand.
You boys are silly.
Can we please raise our hand?
Hey, you know what's coming up next week?
What?
Christmas, yeah?
Tomorrow?
No, next week.
What's next week?
Christmas.
Nothing.
Are you guys ready for Christmas?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know what you're getting for presents?
What?
I don't know. I'm not going to tell you.
Tell
Do you
me.
know what you're getting?
Tell me.
No.
No.
Well, I know what you're getting, but I'm not going to tell you.
What am I getting?
Well, I just said I'm not going to tell you.
Tell me. Tell me.
Okay. What did you guys get me for Christmas?
I don't
Did
know.
you guys just go sit back? Sit back. Sit back in the chair. Okay, what did you boys get me for Christmas?
I don't know. I don't know.
Did you boys give me anything for Christmas?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, well, I see this is all we're going to be doing. Just looking at ourselves.
What? What? Why are you laughing?
All right, that's enough.